Today, we're freeing your PC from the hidden AI files that Google Chrome quietly installed in the background. This hidden folder can take up nearly 4 gigabytes of storage on your device. Here's how to remove it in just a few simple steps. First, open Google Chrome settings. Go to Privacy and Security, then open Security. If Enhanced Protection is enabled, switch it to Standard Protection. Next, open Chrome Flags. In the search bar, type Enables Optimization Guide on Device. Change the setting from Default to Disabled. Now click the small Relaunch button that appears at the bottom of Chrome. Once Chrome restarts, go to the hidden folder location and delete the folder completely to reclaim your storage space. And that's it. You've successfully removed Chrome's hidden AI files and recovered your disk space.